Good day, guys. This is Paul Shilajo here. I welcome you to the favorite channel. So, guys, today I'm going to share with you the market recap. I'll be sharing two pairs, two currency pairs, and at least one uh index. So, guys, I just wanna recap and go back to last week. So we cannot move forward without like checking what happened last week and all. So with mostly what we analyzed last week, mostly looking at Nasdaq, it went into our direction and it definitely and it fortunately hit our take profit. So guys, I thank you very much, guys, for being in this channel. I'll be sharing more content and I'll be giving more free information so that you may be a profitable trader. But for more items and for more content, you must join the VIP group. So guys, I welcome even everyone who's new in this channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Please like the video if it was productive to you, and also please share with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment and turn on your notification, guys. So guys, I thank you very much. If you did not watch the previous videos, please just go back and watch the previous videos because it will help you to build up everything, because I'll be speaking about certain things that you do not know, but the people who started first saw them. But fortunately, you can go back and start from the beginning and come up with them. But it's again very important to watch this video because it will be showing you the market recaps. So guys, let's just start. And today we're looking at Usdmxn. So let's just go to our day one time frame. On our day one time frame, we're looking at the. So I just want to first educate you. I just want to first educate you all about the market structure. I want to educate you about the market structure. Guys, in Forex, you have a structure, and if you do not understand the structure of the market, you will not succeed in Forex. So the market structure goes like this. We have what you call an impulsive move and a correction. So we have a three-step called impulse, correction, and impulse. So the market goes into it goes with impulse, correction, then impulse. So if you get that information, you will definitely succeed in trading, but you need more info about it. So you must join the VIP group to get all. So, but I'll just show you an example, because for me to again to raise this issue, it's because I see it on a highly time frame on a Usdmxn, giving it a high momentum of a bearish movement. So we're looking at Usdmxn here, guys. As we're looking at Usdmxn, I can see I can see a big correction, and again I can see that the market has power into the bearish side. It's just that here what you see is a correction. It's because it's existing. It's taking a break from the bearish impulsive move that it came with. Because as you can see from here to here, it is what you call an impulsive move. It is a bearish impulsive move. Then we go into correction. Then we're looking at the market breaking the correction to go again to an bearish impulsive market. So it's a three-step process, but it can extend to more. It can extend to more. So let's look at this part. We're looking at the market playing on this part. It's a correction, guys. It's a correction. Going again onto this one. So guys, just please listen attentively and please follow all steps. So as you can see, the market has been playing in this channel. We're looking at the market breaking the channel and just going down. That's the process of the impulsive correction and impulsive move. But for now, we're looking at the current market. We're looking at the trade that we are going to take. we're looking at what the market is doing, because we are still inside the correction. Now we're still inside the correction. So those ones who wants to trade inside the correction, you can, because I can see this is a big correction. Then, but again, we see that there is another trend line inside this correction, and already the market has broke this trend line, and now we're looking at taking a buy trade till here as our take profit. So guys, let's just go to H4 time frame just to go into deep and see what we can find. So guys, there's only a few information on Usdmxn. Actually, there's only a few information I can see, because I'm looking at this part as being our double bottom. I'm looking at 1 and 2, it's a double bottom. We're looking at that the market now just broke the trend line we're speaking of. We're looking at taking a trade just from here. We missed the trade, but we'll definitely catch it on the correction. A correction must definitely come out. So taking a trade from there to here to our take profit. So looking at our take profit being at that exact part of our take profit being here. Actually, our first take profit being here, our second take profit being there. So guys, let's just go into other pairs. But as you can see, this is Usdmxn, guys. This is Usdmxn. It's just playing in a big correction, but inside a correction, definitely there must be another correction, another impulse and correction. You just have to know your structure in the market. So we're looking at the market just broke this trend line, and we're looking at taking our trade. This is actually a reduced risk entry, because this is our first trade. We're looking at taking a buy from here to our first take profit, then our second take profit being here. Then we're looking at, again, we'll see on the next week on what we're going to do, or immediately when it hits our first and our second take profit, the trade we are about to take. I just update, just join the Telegram group and follow us on Instagram, guys. You'll just see more information about what we take on on this market structures and the next trade we're about to take. So this is Usdmxn, guys. This is Usdmxn. Let's just go into other pairs and see what we can come up with. See the more market opportunities. Oh, so we are now going to GBPNZD. We're now going to GBPNZD. We're looking at GBPNZD now. Let's just go to our day 1 time frame. Okay, we're looking at GBPNZD. We're looking, and we're seeing that as I was speaking with you, that there is what we call an impulsive move and a correction move. And a correction. In an impulsive move, there will also be corrections, but small correction, but you will see that the movement has high momentum onto the movement. It's either bullish or it's bearish, because what I'm speaking of is this. You see, this is a huge movement here we're talking about, but in this huge movement, which we call an impulsive move, we can see that the small correction, as I can see here, and here, there are small corrections, but it's an impulsive move. Then we're looking at this one as being our biggest correction. So we're now going to focus on that. So looking at also GBPNZD having a very, very strong bearish momentum, but we're now just gonna focus on the movement, because as I told you that inside a correction, there will also be impulses and corrections, but you must focus on the bigger picture, focusing on the market structure. So let's just see what you can find from here. As you can see, guys, that we are playing in a huge correction. We are playing in a huge correction. Looking at that, the market has given us an impulsive move, a big correction. Then we're going to sell again to come to our to becoming another impulsive move on the bearish. So as we see, looking at one as two touches, three, four, five. There's many touches actually in here. There's many touches. So we should just go deeper. Many things might happen. Many things might happen. So we are actually forecasting in this. We're actually forecasting. Let's just go to a smaller time frame and see what we can find inside this big channel that we're looking at now at the current moment. So we're looking at a small double bottom that can give us the surety of why we took the trade. Actually, it's not a small thing. It's not a small double bottom because I can see here there is actually a first touch and a second touch. This is just giving us a third touch, but this touch will count it as one. So this is a double bottom, a very beautiful entry to, yeah, this is a very beautiful entry, guys. Just to take our buy trade, this is a very good entry to take our buy trade. So we should have taken our buy trade here, but we'll just look into how the market move. So we should have taken our buy trade from here. So as I explained that there is impulsive moves. We're looking at that inside this big correction, we see a very beautiful impulsive move. In this impulsive move, we're just waiting to find what we call a correction. If we're looking to find a correction, the market to just correct and give us a correction so that we may enter our trade into a buy to our target that we are looking into. We're looking at least the market reaching this position, but we do not know where will the market reach because the market might reach the previous high. We're looking at the previous high being this position. The market might just reach this previous high and just go down and break the channel and take the structure that it has been following. It might not reach this place, but it might actually just turn on the higher height. So we must just keep ourselves updated. Even when it is this place, we will just see if it will break this place and retest this place, this key point, or it will just correct and just take a sell entry. But I'll just keep you all updated on the channels that I've named and on the channels below on the description. So guys, we're looking at GBPNZD. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup. We must just keep an eye on it. Just look at it. Wait for that break so that we can take that beautiful sell that we're going to go with it, holding it for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or 4 weeks, holding the sell and eating, securing the bag at all times. But for now, we're just waiting for the market to see our correction and to see which trade we're gonna take. But for now, just keep yourself updated. Just keep yourself updated because if I can see here, let us see what happened deeper inside. The break that I'm talking about is this kind of break. As you can see, many people took the sell here and made profit, but actually the market turned and went up. It broke and it came and retested this key point. So this is the one that I'm talking about. If that one breaks like this, then we're taking a buy because here we're looking at taking a buy trade. We're looking at taking a buy trade after this thing happened. We're looking at taking our buy trade, making our first take profit here, our first take profit, then just making a tight stop loss, taking our trade from day to day. It's such a good trade. It's such a good trade to take. It's such a good trade to take because that's the previous high and a place where the market can stop. Don't forget, the market don't just hit the stop loss. I mean, the market just don't go to places without reasons. There must be reasons for the market to turn. There must be reasons for the market for you to have a take profit on a certain place or a stop loss on a certain place, guys. So that is GBPNZD. So I would like us to go to SPX500. But before going to SPX500, I would just like to show you how our Nasdaq played out. Oh, I think I deleted. Let me see. Let the market, let trading view load and see if, okay, I didn't delete it. I didn't delete the analysis. So I just want to show you guys how we managed to nail this one, because I shared it on the previous video. Just want to show you how we hit our take profit. As you can see, I shared this setup last week, looking at taking our trade from here. It went up and just retested, gave us another double bottom. Then we took our trade to our second take profit. So we ate a lot of pips, and worst part, this is an H4 time frame. We ate a lot of pips, guys. So if you could go to smaller time frame, you'll see much clearer how the market actually moved. So we ate a lot of pips here. We ate a lot of pips, guys. But for now, let's just look at SPX500, so that we may touch a bit on some indices. As I know many people love indices, so let's just touch on SPX500. We're looking at, let's just go to a D1 time frame and see what SPX500 has. Then we can see that SPX500, since this higher high, the market hasn't went again to that higher high. Let's just mark this higher high, because it can be our next target. It can be our next target as you are looking to getting into it. Let's just go to our H4 time frame. H4 time frame, H4 time frame. As you can see on H4 time frame, we once took a, we had our trend line from here. We had our trend line from here, giving this position, giving it at that touch. We had a position from there on the previous videos that I've analyzed with you, and we had another previous high here. We had a previous high on this level. So we want to just go into this level and see what the market has actually done on this level. So we had our previous high on this level, and as you can see, as you closely go deep inside, we can see that the market just broke the previous high has just broke. Then we're waiting for this candle to end, just to see how it ends. It might be a retest of the key point, then making our second making our take profit to the higher high, going to 3,400. So we'll be eating about 2,000 pips. Yeah, it's about 2,000 pips, eating about 2,000 pips, going to there from taking a position from here. So we're looking at taking our trade from this place. We're looking at taking our position from that place, and our stop loss just right here. But our stop loss is a bit big, so I just wanna, yeah, let us not risk too much. Just put it there, and let us see, putting our take profit there. Yes. So guys, this is the trade that we are about to take. Actually, this is the trade that we are about to take. Yes. So guys, this is the trade that we're about to take. We're about to go to our higher high, but only if the market does what we want it to do, because we do not just execute the trade, but we execute a trade with a reason, guys. So guys, this is it from me, guys. This is it from me. I hope you've seen, I hope you've learned, and yeah, I'm just wishing you all the best, guys. Let's just see. Oh, the market is something again for us. Okay, the market is just something for us here. So we have the trade. There is a high possibility that the market can just touch this line, this trend line, and just go down. So we'll just see what the market does. But this is just forecasting. By me sharing the market recaps is by me forecasting with you guys and keeping you updated, for you to also go back to the market and just see that whatever that Mr. Paul was saying, it's this and this. If this happens, I must take this. If that happens, I must take this. So guys, you're looking at that the market can hit this trend line and just go down, because it will be giving us at that touch. It will go down and break maybe this line. But if it breaks this line, don't forget SPX and Nasdaq 100 goes on the same position, like just travels together. So if it can go to that down level, there must be something fundamentally happening. So we must also look up to the fundamentals and see what's happening on those 100 on those 100 companies I was talking about on the Nasdaq video that I mentioned earlier. On just go to my channel and search for the Nasdaq, and you'll see the Nasdaq strategy. And I was talking about the fundamentals. I've touched a bit about the fundamentals. So it might be happening on this level. We might be experiencing a fundamental a case, but we must just look into it. We must just look into it. But for now, guys, let's just see what the market, how the market plays out. And again, here I'm looking at the market has been playing on this level for a long time. The market has been playing on this level for a long time. It gave us a third touch. So the market can actually just hit this level, come back to this one, and just give us a false breakout and just go up to the higher high, because you might not know what's happening on the 100 companies. You might find that shops are closing, Apple shops closing, Tesla is doing what and what, so the market falls. Then you might find that many things are coming, new phones are discovered, more shops are opening, more employment is coming. Employment now, people are getting back to their jobs. You find that the market has power. The Nasdaq market has power, then it just hits our higher high. Then we'll see when it hits our higher high where we are going next. So guys, this is all from me. Paul Shilajwe. I wanna thank you for watching this this video, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to also comment, turn on your notification. Please, guys, share this thing, share this channel on your WhatsApp statuses, Instagram, and all. Also follow my Instagram page, which is EagleFX underscore ZA. Guys, please. Thank you a lot, guys. I hope this video helped you. It is all for me, Mr. Paul SA. I'm out.